Welcome back again, Cool Geeks TNT. My name is Dario, and we have another unboxing today. This one is for the Android community. For those who out there who may believe that I only do Apple products, well, this is a surprise here for you. We have the OnePlus 6T. This phone was announced in October 2018 and released in November. And you know what's so special about these OnePlus is that they are somewhat underdogs in that they make budget phones at near flagship specs and so on. So let's jump right into this unboxing. Before I do that, shout out to Nicholas, my buddy, for sending this review unit out to me. And let's get Blue open up here. OnePlus always makes top of the line phones. There's not much difference from the OnePlus 6. Now that the wrap is off, let's see. 6. Right now, this is the midnight black color, 256 gig. I believe this has the 8 gig of RAM. I'll get into the specs while I do the unboxing. Let's see what's in the box. Alright, so a word from our CEO. Nice little letter, you'll read that. Alright, we have the device. Okay. Let's see what else is in the box before I get to the device. Alright, as usual, cable, USB Type-C, all those nice tough durable cables. This the OnePlus, the 6T, does not sport a headphone jack like all the other OnePlus phones, so they included the dongle, which was nice of them. For your headphones, charging block, and fast charger as well. Right? Let's see. I think they normally have a case. Right, that's correct. And also a nice little silicone case. At least you'll have a case, to put on your phone right out of the box. Okay. Ooh, this feels really good. Alright, just to get some specs out of the way, this was launched in October 2018 and released in November 2018, last month. Sports a front and back glass panel, dual SIM, and of course it's optic AMOLED capacitive touchscreen, 16 million colors. Right, resolution is 1080 by 2340 pixel, and it sports a 402 ppi density. It's Gorilla Glass 6, and it runs Oxygen OS 9.0.5. That's Android 9.0 Pie. Right, under the hood, a Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 with the Adreno 630 graphics chip. Right, and like I said, this is the 256 gig model. Also sports a dual LED flash. Let's see what else again. Video 1080p at 30 frames per second. Right, normal stuff, Wi-Fi, E2.2, ABG, N and AC, and the novelty feature of this model is the fingerprint under the display. Alright, so we'll set this up and test it out to see how it goes. And it also sports a 3700 milliamp battery, so this will take you comfortably 2 days without any issues. Alright, Okay, so let's. This feels really nice. Screen size a 6.4-inch display. Let's power it up for the first time. But before I do that, let's look around the screen, around the phone. Sorry, on the right side, power wake button, and they have a slider button for mute, silent. You know, to go to be mute, go in between mute and silent like the iPhone. And on the other side, we have volume rocker and the SIM card tray. Alright, again, it's dual SIM, does not support SD card, but with the built-in memory of 256 or the base model of 128 gigabytes, it should be sufficient to do, you know, all that you need to do. Alright, so let's power it up for the first time. Alright, we have some charge. Right, excellent. Alright, let me set this up and I'll be back at you in a minute. Alright, let's walk through the setup. Great. Alright, a lot of normal stuff. Keyboard is nice. Let's check it for updates. Won't copy data now. Now the other thing about this phone, the notch is smaller than the previous model, and it's almost like the Essential phone. If you remember the Essential phone from about a year or two back, right? It's a nice small notch. There's also the feature in the OS to remove the notch, at least to hide the notch, to give you a nice smooth finish in case you don't want the notch, right? Okay, let me just drop in my credentials and see and get a feel of the UI. Alright, so back again, have my credentials in, and I must say off the bat that the fingerprint unlock on this under the display, it is really something, you know, really real sci-fi stuff. Face unlock is quick, but let's look at the display on the finger. Look at that. Let's do it again. Tap, little animation. Oops. And it's unlocked. It's really good. It also has the lift. So lift up and you tap and you're in. It's really nice. The UI somewhat like iOS. You have your swipe up gestures. That's me open a few stuff. Swipe up, so you can have an idea what I'm talking about. And now, so swipe up, swipe, and hold on, switch between your application. Swipe up to close off to get back to the home screen. The camera, I'll do a little camera test as well. Right, it's really nice. Screen. App drawer up and into all your apps. So it's pretty good. It's snappy like all OnePlus phones, and very impressed. Right, again, notch nice and small, so you have You know, you can get all your notifications, all the different icons to the top up here. All right. Again, the build quality is very of top quality, not unlike OnePlus. It does not have any IP60 rating. I guess a little splash and sound will be fine. Other than that, a well-rounded phone for the price. The price is $750 to about $750 for the 128 by 800 US for the 256 gig model, and it's not bad, and I would say value for money. So that was a quick unboxing of the OnePlus 6T. Alright, and hope you liked and enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and peace out.